Okay, now sets are unordered, unordered, comma, unchangeable, unchangeable, comma, unindexed, comma, no duplicacy, no duplicate values, not allow duplicate values. Okay, as per this, see, so sets are unordered means how many times you want to print. If you want to print one more time, print. So what happened here? Print x. So your values will be printed. You run this code. So what happened here? See, sets are unordered. Unordered means your values, this is at 0 index, but first true was printed here. 10.8 is at 0 1 second index, but 10.8 printed at first index. So as per the order you have, that is set is created. So whenever you want to get the print, that moment that order will be changed. So values are, sets are unordered. Okay, one more time, if you want to get print of x, that moment try to understand what the order it will follow. Same order it has follow second time, but as per this order, the print is not matching with this order. So sets are unordered. Unchangeable means sets values can't be changeable, but you can add and remove the values. You can add. So see, how can we add? Suppose x dot add method, use add method 78. So now this 78 will be added to this set by add method. So now you print x, you get print x. So then what happen? You will get 78 added with the end of the tuple, at the end after 4j, not after 4j, after 28, but here 28 is where at this index. So means they are not unindexed, so there is no any index here. So sets are unindexed, and then sets not allow duplicate values. Suppose if you pass one more 10, okay, whenever you get that 10 will not be displayed, means sets are unique. Sets are values are so unique. Okay, sets values are so unique. You run this code, what? So see, 78 is by this, that the add method 78 added, but the 10 you have written, it is duplicated, but that 10 will not be printed. Okay, whenever you set is created, it accepts the duplicacy, but at the time of printout, so duplicate value will not be printed. Okay, even though if you give triplicate also, so it prints only 110 only, but that order may be anywhere. So there is no any proper index for the sets. That is what one thing. So next is what, sets are unindexed. Okay, then what, next point we need to discuss that. Okay, how to create an empty set. Create an empty set. Okay, come down here. So how to create an empty set? By constructor. Use constructor. Use set constructor. Set constructor. Okay, create an empty set use set constructor. Set constructor, it is a special method. It is a method. Okay, so let us see how to, suppose take a variable name, suppose var is a variable. Now use set method and keep simple brackets. Now it is a word, it is empty set created. If you want to print, simply you put var. So var is a variable. Now you will get this, means now one empty set is created with any, you can comment here empty set without values. That is called empty set. Okay, so that moment we have used a constructor. This is the constructor. Used constructors, set constructor, that is called set as a set constructor. Set is what? It is a method. Okay, so method means method having the brackets. Okay, so this is what. After that, next word, okay, if you want to know that it is which type of print bracket, use type function node to know that it is which type of data type, collection data type. You will get what? It is a set. This is what? Where is a set, but what? It is a empty set. It is a set, but it is what? Empty set. After that, come downward. Next is what? Set items can be any data type. Set items can be any data type. Okay, try to understand whatever happening here. Set items can be any data type. So means you create any variable that will be a set. Okay, suppose int is a variable. It is holding all that integer values. So now this is what? Set items can be any data type. So integer values. Suppose if you want to create a float, it's a variable which is holding all the float values. Okay, 20.5. Next is what? 30.5. So now it is what? Set items can be any data type. So float. So float 10 point. Now you want to make it, suppose a string type of string. So string str is str. Here it is a variable. Str, float, int, everything is a variable here. So now string will be represented in Python double quotation, otherwise single quotation mark. It doesn't mean, it is up to you which that is what? Quotation marks, whether you want to use single quotation or double quotation mark. So now it is called it is what? String type of any type of data. So set items can be any. We can use mixed. We can use mixed values in set. So set, take one more, that is suppose y is a set. So it is to be represented in double quotation 10 comma 1. This is what? One float, and then one string vasu, and then one boolean value if you use true. Okay, next is what? Complex number. So this is called, here I have used mixed values in tuple. Okay, here it is only string type of, it is float type of, it is integer type. So set items can be any data type. Next I'm going to explain. Next is what? Type function. As I told you that type function means function means brackets. Okay, used to know